Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Dell Refurb 7070 UFF, that is ultra form factor. This comes with Windows 10 delivered, but it can be upgraded to Windows 11 Pro because it has 8th gen Intel Core i5 processor. The processor is a bit weaker than the regular desktop processor because it's a laptop processor. But yeah, as it has 16 gig RAM, it is expected to run okay. Here is the unboxing. Comes with nice packaging as well. It comes with the charger, the keyboard, mouse. This is the box having the wired keyboard and wired mouse. This is the desktop PC itself. Good ventilation. It has ventilation on the other side, having USB-C and USB-A port, and this side it is having two USB-A ports, a power button here, and vent. It has Ethernet jack. And that is for opening. Comes with some terms and conditions. And here is the power adapter and a mouse. Thank you.